What up? What up? What up today, guys? One of you probably wondering why I got the arts and crafts sets out, but I'm gonna show you today how to not get your vehicle stolen. So I got a box. I bought it from Hobby Lobby. Um, the box is $17, and you can get it. They have a 40% off coupon every day. I did not know this because I don't go to Hobby Lobby, but you might need to if you wanna do this idea for you. So what I'm gonna do is I got this box. It's just ordinary wood box, right? We're gonna line it with copper tape so that you can't. Your key puts out a signal, and I'll show you the video here in a second where you're able to just steal a car without even having the key, and all you need is to be in close proximity of the key, right? But this box will ensure that your key doesn't even put out the signal to your car can't be stolen. This is a box every car guy needs, especially with the new technology where you just get in the car and you just drive away. Those keys are the most dangerous ones because you don't even need it's not even a place to put a key in the ignition. So I'm gonna start this box, and what you're gonna need, like I said, you're gonna need a box of your choosing, whichever one you want. You're gonna need some copper tape. I'm gonna show you. I got this copper tape off of Amazon. I'm gonna show you where how much it costs and everything. I'll flash all that on the screen. Like I said, this box was $17, and it was 40% off at Hobby Lobby. Just ask for the coupon, or you can look it up online. So I'm not gonna show you the whole process. If you want to see how the whole box is made and why it works and stuff like that, I will put a link in the description, and I will so that you can see the whole process of how to make the box. Right now, I'm just going to show you, one or two strips being applied, and then I'm going to show you a before and after, so you can get an idea that this works, and you can decide if it's something that you want to do for your own car. I think it's a must for everybody, from the way technology is going and the way people are able to steal people's vehicles. So you just want to cut a strip, and you want to make sure it's long enough to go across the box. You want to cut the whole box. You want to cut the length of the box, and you want to cover every inch of this box with this tape. And you can see it's metal. It's a little shiny copper metal. Okay. I kind of messed it up, but it kind of doesn't matter. You can see it in there shiny. So I'm going to cover this whole box all the way up the edges, all the way to the top, and we're just all the way around these outside lips. And then I'll come back at you, and then we'll do a checkout and see if it works or if it doesn't work, and how well it works and that kind of thing. But this is just my first strip. And then, like I said, I'll go back out and show you guys if it works or it doesn't work. So we have the box. This is pre-test. There's no aluminum in the box. I just want to show you. We're gonna get a checkout. Got to put the keys in the box. Shut the box. Now go sit it over here by the sidewalk. On the sidewalk, right? We're gonna press the lock button. You should hear it beep. So that works, right? On the sidewalk, it works. Hit the unlock. We can open it. And lock it back. Right? So that's the pre-test with the box on the ground. We're gonna go get it all aluminum foiled up and try it on the ground again, same test, and see if we can get it to not unlock or lock. Alright, so we're back in. We got the box made. You look in there, every inch is covered. Right? Keys in there. Keys in there, aluminum's covered. Keys in box, right? We're gonna close the box and we're gonna lock the box. I'm gonna take it over to the vehicle. There's a Jeep. Put it right back in the same spot. See that? Right by the door where it was the first time. Vehicle's locked. Shucks. So it unlocks and it locks in the box, right? Alright. But will it start? Let's see if it'll start. Alright, steering wheel. Box on the dash. Will it start? It starts. Damn it. It starts. That idea does not work. Alright. Let's try something else. Alright, I got another idea. This idea does not work. So it starts. So I'm gonna take the key and I'm gonna stick it in a aluminum box, or a completely built aluminum box, right? This idea should work, man. I know it should. Hold on. So I got aluminum project box, right? I covered all the holes up. Hold on, stand by. I'm gonna put the key in it. Hold on. Alright, so the key's in an aluminum box. That first idea should have worked, man. I don't know why it did it. But anyway, so close box. Get it all sealed up. Alright, we're gonna walk over to this guy. Aluminum box there, right next to the big box. See if it starts. Uh-oh. See, key fob not detected. So, again, key fob not detected. So, what I think has happened is I don't have a good enough seal on this box. I think this box is leaky and it's not good enough to seal it. So I wanted a decorative box, also a quick, easy access box, because if this is too complicated, you know how you have to slide these. If you dealt with electronics project box, you have to slide them together, right? And if it's too complicated, you're not going to use it. So I was hoping to emulate this box with this setup, and it didn't work. So what I think I'm going to do is, and then also too, if this box is ugly, no one's going to want to sit this out on your counter. Your spouse is not going to want to look at this. Your spouse is not going to want to use this. I was hoping to get this box to work. I've worked on this a while. I can't seem to get it to work. This is going to be your best bet. if you want it to work. What I will do is I think I'm going to get a project box that fits inside of here so that it will work, right? I don't know why it doesn't work. It should work. I could probably try to put some more shielding on it, like some more aluminum tape. It's not supposed to be able to start, man. I don't know why this is not the same as this, and I'm pretty sure it's because this box has gaps or leaks in it. It's probably not a well-made box. But anyway, we can let's try one more thing. Let's see if we can lock the door with this box. This box is right here. You gotta sit it on the ground again. I'm gonna try to lock the door. Nada. We got nothing. You can't even lock or unlock this door with this key in this box. And that's what you want, man. You hear it click? Nothing. So this box is gonna be your best bet, but I just don't like this idea. Does that make sense? Like, it's not pretty, but it works. Some people not gonna like this idea at all. It's a lot of work to get your key. It's not a lot of work, but it takes some effort to get your, key out of there. So when you separate the two sides, your key's in there. If you get a bigger project box, this will work. But that box that I made is it's got leaks in it. That's all. But I just opened it. It might have received it right now. It might lock now. Nope, nada, no lockup. No lockup, no nothing. So this box is gonna be the one you want. If you want a designer box like I made, I'd probably still go buy the one from Hobby Lobby. Hold on. I still go buy one from Hobby Lobby, but I would get a project box that would fit inside of that one. So you don't have to worry about the aluminum tape. You don't have to worry about any of that. You have a nice box that can sit out on the coffee table, that can sit out it's cold out here, man. Nice box that can sit on the coffee table. So if you got a box that would fit inside of here, you wouldn't have to do any of this aluminum taping, right? You just need your electronic project box that'll fit inside of there. And then you can just slide the electronics box, slide the top off, put the key in, slide it back together, put it back in the box. It looks all nice and neat. But this will definitely prevent your car from being stolen. I can't say 100% your car won't be stolen. I will not be responsible for that. But this is like a condom, man. You know what I mean? A condom is supposed to help prevent you from having kids or diseases. It's not foolproof. You know what I mean? People, let me turn this around. So people that are stealing cars, usually they want the whole car. You know what I mean? They're not on some vandalizing. You know what I mean? Vandalizing. So they want the whole car. So if they can't get it, this will buy you time. For one, it'll be a deterrent, or two, it'll buy you some time until you can either wake up and figure out what they're doing, call the cops, whatever, however you want to handle your situation, you do that. What's best for you. But what I'm saying is, this will prevent, this is, like I said, it's like a condom. It'll prevent it from being stolen. And if it is stolen, it'll make it a lot harder for the person that's trying to steal it. So, sometimes ideas work out, sometimes they don't. I got this, I wrapped, okay, so what I did with my key, so y'all, this is gonna be funny. So what I did with my key was I wrapped it in aluminum foil first, because I had a theory, right? I was thinking about it. And then, of course, that theory goes to the internet, and then you get that video that's linked below on how to do this, right? So I was like, man, this gotta work. This has gotta work. This has gotta work. So the idea is still there. The premise is still there. The aluminum is still there. You can use copper too. Either one would have worked. But it's just, this box is just not built well. It's not good enough. So my plan going forward is what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep this Hobby Lobby box. I'm gonna get a bigger one of these that fits inside of that Hobby Lobby box, and then I'm gonna sit that on my coffee table or wherever I want to sit it to where my keys are. So, like I said, this is always to keep the spouse happy, so that you can she or he ain't mad about you having this ugly box on the table, and you know what I mean, it'll make it useful so that you'll want to use it instead of, it's gonna be a difficult, you got to be a, you know, this ain't just a drop in like this box I had. You just drop it in, you drop the keys in there, shut the box, you go on about your way. But it don't work. That box don't work. So since it doesn't work, this does. So what you want to do is get your electronic aluminum. They make them in plastic. Get your electronic aluminum project box, right? Get you one of them. Get you some aluminum tape or copper tape, whichever one you want. And on the project box, you're gonna want to seal all the holes. You're gonna see that hole, that little denture right there. You're gonna want to cover it with aluminum tape. And you're gonna stick your key in there. However many keys you got in your household that has that key fob, you get a project box big enough to hold all them keys. Get you an easy project box, not one that requires screws, anything like that. Get you one that slide open, slide shut, slide open, slide shut, so that you will use it. This is just a tool. If you don't use it, it can't help you. Do you follow me? So, in closing, I tried to experiment. I had an idea, didn't work out. Found a solution for the idea that I thought I had, and this is it. It's ugly, but so right now I can drop this key in here and drop it in the designer box. No one's even gonna notice. Every time I get my keys out, I slide that out, slide my keys in, and we gone. Car gonna be there. As far as I'm concerned, the car's gonna be there. Back on the other subject. Real car thieves want the whole car whole because they get more money for it. They probably not gonna be on some vandalizing, you know what I mean? Because they want the whole car. You follow me? They not gonna just steal, like vandalize the car because they get more money for it if it's not in pieces. So they can't get it the first couple times. They probably gonna tuck tail and run. And that's what you want. And if they don't tuck tail and run, and this idea will slow their process down, and maybe hopefully you know, if you got a dog, your dog alerted, or you know, you give you time to call the cops, you give you time, you know, go out there and say something, whatever you want to do with your situation. I'm not telling you how to handle your situation, but I'm just telling you, go get yourself a condom, man. Peace, man. Respect everybody's hustle, respect everybody's grind. We all go get it in due time. Peace.